boys and girls. Today in math, we're going to be talking about subtraction word problems using the start, change, end diagram. So, first I'm going to read you our word problem. Ready? Ryan had 56 cookies. He ate 23. Now, how many does he have? So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to picture 56 cookies. Okay, so if he ate 23, that means my number's going to get smaller, so there's going to be less cookies. So I'm going to know I need to subtract. Okay, so now that I've kind of envisioned that in my mind, I'm going to look and pull out the really important information in my word problem. So reading my first sentence, Ryan had 56 cookies. Okay, so that's how many he had. He had 56. He ate 23. All right, so he had 56 and he ate 23 of them. So I know these two numbers are going to be really important. Now, how many does he have? So if I wanted to add this into my start, change, end diagram, in my start, I'm going to put 56 because that's how many he had, right? He started with that many cookies. Now my change is 23. He ate 23 of them. Now how many does he have? Well, I don't know because I haven't solved yet. So this is how I would fill it into my diagram. So now I know I need to subtract. So I'm going to set up my subtraction problem. 56 minus 23. I'm just going to move this up a little bit. So if I'm looking, it doesn't look like I need to regroup, so I'm going to start in my ones. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So my answer is 33. So he started with 56. So I put 56. I envisioned 56 cookies. He ate 23 of them, so my number got smaller. So realistically, 33 makes sense as my answer. Let's try another one. Ellie had 156 dog bones. She ate 113. How many does she have left? So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to close my eyes and visualize the problem. So she had 156 dog bones. It's a lot of dog bones. So she ate 113 of them. All right, how many does she have left? So I know she probably isn't going to have too many left because she ate a lot of them. So I'm going to read through again and just pull out my numbers. So she had 156, so I know, okay, that's how many she had. And then she ate this many, 113. Okay, so if I wanted to fill this into my diagram, she started with 156. All right, so then she ate 113, so that's my change, right? And then how many does she have left? That's what I need to find out. So now I'm going to set this up to subtract. 156 minus 113. And it doesn't look like I need to regroup. So I know 6 minus 3 is 3. And then 5 minus 1 is 5, 4. And I know 1 minus 1 is 0, so I don't need to put anything there. So my answer is 43. She had 43 dog bones left. And then if I really think about it, that makes sense. Now we're going to try one that we don't know what the change is. We know what he started with, and we know what he ended with. So we have to find out what changed. So I'm going to read the problem to you. John had 236 Legos. He lost some. Now he has 116. How many did he lose? So, so he had 236. And then he lost some. Okay, I don't know how many that is, but I know he lost some of them. And now he has 116. How many did he lose? All right, so I know he started with 236. And he ended with 116. But, so I don't know what changed. I don't know how many he lost. So, I wonder how I could figure out what the change was. I wonder if I subtract 236 minus 116. Yes, that will work, and I'll tell you why. From the lesson yesterday, the answer in a subtraction problem is called the difference. So really what you're doing is finding the difference between the two numbers. Isn't that what this is? My change is my difference. It's what's in between those two numbers. It's how many he lost. So I can take these numbers and subtract them. And that's how I'll find how many he lost. So 6 minus 6. So I know if I start with a number and subtract that number, I know my answer is going to be 0. Okay. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So he lost 120. So now I'm going to show you how I can check to see if my answer is correct. So to check to see if my answer, the change, is correct, is I can add 116 plus 120. I should get what I started with, which is 236. So let's see. 120 plus 116. Let's see. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 236. So that's one way I can check to see when I'm subtracting to find the change or the unknown. That's how I can check to see if I got the right answer, because I should always get what I started with. So now what you need to do is you need to go to Seesaw and look for the activity for today, which is a word problem that you need to try and solve. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.